Create Solana Memecoin. Make your own SPL token. The fastest and most trustless no-code Solana Memecoin generator. Deploy your SPL token and get to the moon. Why make your Memecoin with Moontool? We believe Solana token creation should be easy and accessible to everyone, not just coders. Moontool is your portal to creating the next big Memecoin. Zero-code simplicity. Simplified for everyone. No coding needed to make your Solana Memecoin. Just click to launch. Instant Solana launch. Launch your Solana Memecoin in under 5 minutes. Our SPL token generator is lightning fast. Security and ownership. Our dApp is audited, and you retain full, direct ownership of your newly created token. Affordable entry. The cheapest way to create a Solana Memecoin. Budget-friendly launches with transparent fees. SPL token customization. Launch safely. Revoke mint authority. Free. Permanently prevent any future creation of your token. A critical step for creating a trusted Memecoin. Revoke freeze authority. Free. Ensure no one can lock up tokens in user wallets, making your coin trustless and safe for all buyers. Claim a custom address. Free. Personalize your SPL token contract address with a custom ending or beginning, a unique, high-quality touch for your project. Custom creator info. Free. Change information about the token creator in the token's metadata, used for branding and authenticity. How to make a Solana Memecoin. 1. Connect your Solana wallet. Click Select Wallet to connect Phantom, Solflare, or any wallet. 2. Define name and symbol. Choose a name and a unique symbol for your Memecoin. 3. Write a description. Provide a brief, catchy description for your new SPL token. 4. Upload token logo. Upload a PNG or JPG logo for your token's visual identity. 5. Set decimals and supply. Select the total supply and decimals. 6. Configure authorities. Revoke mint and freeze authorities. This is essential for a safe token launch. 7. Click to create. Confirm the transaction. Your Solana Memecoin will be created in seconds. AI marketing for your Solana Memecoin. Automated 30-day Memecoin promotion. After your Memecoin is successfully created, our powerful AI bot instantly takes over your marketing for a full 30-day period. The bot is fully automated to analyze your token's content and deploy optimized promotional posts across the most critical crypto channels: Twitter, Reddit, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram channels, top crypto forums, Discord crypto channels. The AI dynamically creates unique post content, generates relevant hashtags, adds appropriate tags, and utilizes mentions to maximize visibility. This ensures your Memecoin is seen by more people, attracting potential investors and giving your launch the essential boost it needs.